Imagine this, you push through a 16-hour fast only to find the scale hasn't moved. Or worse, you feel drained, starving and frustrated. And you think, maybe fasting doesn't work? The truth? Fasting works, but most people are making the same mistakes that completely destroy their results. In this video, I will show you the 5 biggest intermittent fasting mistakes and more importantly, how to fix them, so you can finally see the result. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Drinking calories during your fast. This is the most common mistake that ruins your entire fast. You think a splash of milk in your coffee, a protein shake or a glass of juice is fine. It's not, because the moment those calories hit, your body gets a clear signal. Energy is here, fasting over. Your insulin spikes and every process designed to burn fat and repair your cells come on to a full stop. So, how to fix it? During your fasting window, stick to only 3 things: water, black coffee and the unsweetened tea. That's it. Only these drinks won't raise your insulin, which means they won't break your fast. Mistake number 2. Overeating after your fast. This is where a lot of people go wrong. You finish a 16-hour fast and naturally your appetite is bigger. That's when many people slip. They go for huge portions or too much sugar, and the results? They feel stuffed, tired and their progress stalls. The problem isn't that you can have pizza or burger. The real problem is when you overshoot your intake and your insulin spikes, which kills your momentum. The fix is simple. After fasting, focus on control and protein. Ideally, your first meal should contain at least 30 grams of protein, whether it's pizza, a burger or a steak. What matters is hitting that protein target and not eating yourself into a food coma. When your first meal has a 30 grams of protein, your body gets the signal of satiety and you won't feel the urge to keep eating non-stop. Mistake number 3. Not enough protein. This mistake can completely stall your progress. Most people focus only on eating fewer calories, but if you don't get enough protein, your body will take energy from your muscle tissue. And when you lose the muscle, your metabolism slows down, which makes the fat loss way harder. How to fix it? Aim for at least 30 grams of protein in every major meal during your eating window. That's the sweet spot to protect your muscle, keep you full and fire up your metabolism. Great sources: meat, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese or protein shake. Mistake number 4. Ignoring sleep and the stress. This is the silent killer of your fast. You can do 16/8 every single day, track your calories, but if you sleep only 5 hours and you're constantly stressed, your hormones will fight against you. Cortisol spikes, insulin gets off balance, your hunger hormones go crazy, and suddenly you are craving food all the time. Not because fasting doesn't work, but because your body is stressed out of searching for energy. Here is what you should do instead. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep and find a simple way to manage stress. It doesn't have to be complicated. A walk, deep breathing or a short meditation can make a huge difference. When you sleep well and manage stress, fasting feels easier, craving go down and your results skyrocket. Mistake number 5. Starting too extreme. A lot of people want the results fast, so they jump straight into 1 day, 2 day, even multi-days fast, or go straight to OMAD. And what happens? They quit after a few days because their body isn't ready for such a drastic change. Start simple. Even a 14-10 fast, 14-hour fasting, 10-hour eating, it's a great beginning. So, how do you solve this? Once your body adapts, move up to 16/8 and only after it becomes a routine, try longer fast every now and then. This way is sustainable and torture, and your results will come naturally. So, if you want your intermittent fasting to actually work, avoid these 5 mistakes. Don't drink calories during your fast. Don't ruin your results by overeating. Get enough protein. Don't sabotage yourself with poor sleep and stress. And don't start too extreme. Take it step by step. Intermittent fasting isn't about suffering. It's a simple tool to help you lose weight, feel better, and take control of your eating if you do it the right way. Share this with a friend who says fasting doesn't work, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next tip.